What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Geronimo by Trippie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a Geronimo. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you have to tune your low E string down to a D note. It is pretty simple. It's just literally like one chord with a little bit of a accent note on top of it. You're gonna be playing an open D, and you're gonna put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're just down, 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 up. And then put your pinky on the 4th fret of the low D, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that just repeats throughout the entire song. Now there is a little cool lead part that's just like they're just bending a certain note. It is the B string on the 9th fret. They're just plucking it and bending it up and down. And there is a lot of like delay and reverb on there to make it pretty spacey, but it's just, that's all it is there. It's just the 9th fret. Just bending it up and down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.